Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you why is your Roblox avatar not changing. Well, the common reason here is that your Roblox need to be updated. So to update your Roblox, go to Google Play Store and here go to the search box right there at the top and basically find the Roblox application. So here, if you find an update button shows up here, you just need to tap on this update button. Now, once your Roblox set updated, go to your phone settings. Then here on your phone settings, you want to scroll down and then you just need to find apps. So basically right here at the bottom. And here, just tap on apps management or manage apps. And you just need here to wait for a few seconds. And once done, just need to tap on the search box right there at the top and just search for Roblox application. And once you tap on that application, just need first to force stop this app if it's open and basically tap on this storage. And from here, you want to tap on this clear data. So you just need to clear cache and clear all data. So once done, open your Roblox app. Then here on your avatar, you just need to try to make some changes. So for example, right from here. So there you go. That's how you basically fix your Roblox avatar not changing. So find this video helpful. Please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.